What are you doing? Huh? Where are you? What are you doing? Huh? Look at my dirty face. Look at my dirty face and my teeth. Dirty face and teeth.
No, we don't lick the wall.
So, but mommy, the snozberries taste like snozberries.
No. No. No.
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here. Oh,
No.
bumped his head.
Hey. No.
Oh, he just wants to lick some walls. Oh, I got the sad face on video.
You know. You can't. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Now I can lick the walls.
No. Hey, what are you doing?
Hi.